afternoon, everyone. So, let us first pray. Mr. Armando Bautista, thank you for the prayer. So once again, good afternoon. We already discussed the 5 stages of Erik Erikson's psychological development theory. So now let us first have a short recap about those 5 stages. So the first stages is trust versus mistrust, and the virtue that will be developed when we successfully mas successful natin na ma-develop ang natin sa trust versus mistrust is hope. Remember that? Do you remember that? Yeah. So the second stage is autonomy versus shame and doubt. And the virtue is what is the virtue?
Care.
So the stage 3 is initiative versus will. The virtue is dependent. So the stage 4 is industry versus superiority. The virtue is
Love. Love.
Sino nag-report? So the 5, the last topic we already discussed is the identity versus conclusion, and the virtue is fidelity. So now let's continue the discussion. Now let's plan for it's 1 week. Erik Erikson's sixth stage is intimacy versus isolation. So in this stage, the major conflict centers on forming intimate, loving relationship with other people. It occurs during the young adulthood between the age of 18 to 40 years old. So during this period, individuals focus on developing a deep, meaningful relationship, including the romantic relationship. With other people and other friends, and including na din ang building a strong connection with family. So when we successfully navigate in this stage, we will form a sense of intimacy. And when we say intimacy, it is the So when we say intimacy, can we read Mr. Berha?
Intimacy. Individuals who successfully navigate this stage are able to form intimate, reciprocal relationship with others. The second one is involve the ability to be open and share oneself with others, as well as the willingness to commit to relationship and make personal sacrifices for the sake of this relationship.
So, in this stage, if we successfully navigate, ma-form natin ang sense of intimacy. And intimacy is ability ability to be able to commit the relationship or being free or dili kita maalo na express aton sa dili sa usa na tao or willingness to commit with willingness to commit good relationship or we can find fulfillment in relationship. We can also, in this case, we are comfortable na to express ourselves with others, ability to open up and share oneself with others. And if we didn't successfully did not share or not express ating sarili, did not inform ang intimacy, it could lead to isolation. And isolation is we are free to express ourselves. Sa isolation naman is inability to form meaningful relationship with others. Amo nila siyang struggle nag-struggle kita na magkaiban close relationship with other people. Tinatahan ko kita na makipag-close sa inda or fear of rejection. We are also avoiding close relationship kasi nga we are afraid of commitment. And we are pushing others. Pushing away. Pushing others away. Pushing others away. So we are the success and failure during this stage. So success leads to strong relationship while failure is all to loneliness and isolation. Amo nito siya pag sa intimacy, feel nato na o makakabuo kita sa strong relationship with other. While pag ma-form nato ng isolation or we didn't form ng intimacy, loneliness and isolation, we isolate ourselves from others because we are afraid to commit. And the virtue will be when we successfully naman mag-navigate natin ng intimacy, mag-develop natin ng intimacy, the virtue is love. I love. Successful condition of this stage can result to happy relationships. Yes, pag ma-feel natin ng love, syempre, happy kita sa building, pag may version naman tayo ng love, sa sinina stage, magkakaiba naman sa happy relationship with family. Also, a sense of commitment with someone or their family. But potentially lead to a sense of disconnection and strange of failure relationship. Pag failure, ma-fail natin din na stage, we may feel disconnect, the sense of disconnection. Disconnecting ourselves from others, isolating ourselves, strange in adulthood. Hindi kita familiar sa in an adulthood na ginasabi. Kaya hindi kita na-explore sa nina stage kung ano ba talaga ang bagay na igwasin nina stage. So, avoiding intimacy and fearing commitment or and relationship can lead to isolation, loneliness, and sometimes depression.